We're now heading into the penultimate race of the Marble Cup here in the freezing cold of Frostbite Alley. This race is very short with laps. There's 20 laps in this race, but it's very short laps, as you can see there. Currently in the standings, Drew has the lead by 7 points. A big lead in front of Sands, and Battling Chugs is down in third with 9. And it's pretty much impossible for Peppa Pig to win unless Peppa Pig gets max points in the next 2 races. Peter Griffin, Cookie, Poe, and Lightning McQueen are going to hit off the first race of the qualifiers. See, this lap is mainly using half pipes. Again, this lap is insanely short. We'll see how this first lap's going to finish off. These qualifiers are going to be really short as well. 13 seconds. That's it. Peter Griffin currently has pole position. As we head here, Mike Wazowski in the lead in the second heat of qualifiers. Homer Simpson's going to be behind. Mike Wazowski has pretty much fallen off lately, currently in 9th. Hamlet is doing better, but worse in this heat. Drew, Sans Peppa Pig, and Madeline Chugs, the 3 best in the standings and dead last in the standings. It's kind of funny. Drew has the lead with Peppa Pig in 2nd. Drew leading the standings and leading this heat. And if Gru wins this race, Gru's probably going to win the overall championship. Gru, though, currently 2nd to pole position, 13-1-4-3. So, Mario, Scratch Cat, and Henry Stickmin. The last heat. And oh, look at Henry's. Where's Henry Stickmin? He did not fall off the course. He just went insanely slow for some reason. Because he's not good with half pipes. Toad will win this heat. Actually, that's pole position, but Henry Stickmin is going to get dead last with 18 seconds. That is 4 seconds off of Lightning McQueen. We got 15th. Well, okay, Toad has a pole position curse. We start this 20-lap race, and we're off. Toad with the lead. Mike Wazowski's catching up. Toad, pole position to the lead. Mike Wazowski now takes the lead. Peter Griffin. Peter Griffin's also right next to him. Peter Griffin's going to have to lead in the elevator, and look at that. Look at the distance between everyone in the elevator. That distance will definitely stretch overall. Peter Griffin with the lead. We head into lap 2, and it's a pretty distant lead as well versus Scratch Cat. Up in 2nd place, and Mike Wazowski has fallen down to 3rd with Gru in 5th. Gru, if you want to know if the championship, you're going to be watching Gru. Gru is currently a 4-way tie for 2nd place. End of the 3rd lap now. Peter Griffin still with the lead. Peter Griffin, one of the very few marbles, I think there's 3 now, that have not gotten a medal. 2 or 3, I don't know. Peter Griffin still with the lead. Gru is up in 2nd place and has fastest lap as well. So Gru's going to fall down to 4th. Into the 4th lap, Mike Wazowski and Scratch Cat are going to take a little fight for 2nd place. Scratch Cat also, no Peppa Pig. That slap went insane there. You can see the icon going crazy. Peppa Pig now, like the official one with fastest lap pretty much. After lap 4, we're only 20% of the way through this race. Peter Griffin with the lead. Okay, and also Gru's up in 3rd place and now his fastest lap. Now 2nd place, Gru, if he does like any medal at least or podium position in this race, Gru's probably gonna like mathematically be automatic the winner. Mario currently with fastest lap as well. Mario's been falling off a bit recently. Did get 2 straight podium positions, race 2 and 3, but then got 0 points in I think the past 2 races or something like that. Sans also his fastest lap. His fastest lap is going to be changing a lot of times over the course of this. And Gru and Sans the top 2 in the standings, who are going to be fighting off, but Gru has a 7-point lead against him. I don't think Sans beating him by 1 position is really going to help him out. Peter Griffin, a humongous lead with SpongeBob up there in 2nd. Poe is also up there in 2nd with Cookie as well. Mike Wazowski was in like the lead, now it's down to 10th with Toad, who got pole position. Poe was up in 2nd place. So Poe He won at Drop Town, and I think had a pretty decent finish out at Sandy Street. No, Mario. He's going to insanely stumble on the elevator. Just going to lose him time. Peter Griffin currently in the lead. Poe is now the one with second place. Hamlet also his fastest lap now. And it's going to be Peter Griffin having the lead, obviously, with Poe looking to be in second. Cookie and SpongeBob are now fighting. And again, we're only a third of a way for this race, so that dominant lead from Peter Griffin can immediately fall at any time. And fastest lap has gone back to Sands. Okay, SpongeBob's now up in third. SpongeBob has gone one podium position at race 2, Moving Mountain. And not done good since. Peter Griffin still with the lead as we are nearing the halfway points of Frostbite Alley. And Cookie's now up in second place. Lightning McQueen, that's him up in fourth. I don't know what Lightning McQueen's doing up here. Lightning McQueen, his best finish was fifth at the Underwater Way. And, like, nothing good since. Lightning McQueen was up there in fourth, now down to like in a tie with for sixth place. And Cookie and Poe are still finding out. Mike Wazowski has actually gone back up to fifth place now. He wasn't fourth. Peter Griffin, that lead is now becoming a lot smaller. And Cookie's gone up to second place. Cookie is also tied with Peter Griffin, but best position was second out at Sandy Street, the last race. Government Vet has gotten a lot of 0 place finishes. Or 0 point finishes, not 0 place. And those two are going to find for the amount. Homer Simpson and Mike Wazowski are also there. Homer Simpson has taken second in the process. And Homer Simpson has taken the lead. It's going to be a three-way tie going into the elevator. While the other three, Poe, Lightning McQueen, and Cookie, are also there as well. SpongeBob and Sands also made it with the top half. Homer Simpson is going to have the lead after the elevator. Mike Wazowski, second place, with Peter Griffin down in third now. And Homer Simpson and Mike Wazowski are going to be in tie. Peter Griffin in third, close to those top two. And Gru, who was in second place, has fallen down to 10th. Race very unpredictable. Lightning McQueen now in fourth place. He's fallen down to fifth to Poe. Mike Wazowski is the one with the lead right now, but Homer Simpson right behind him. Getting into the elevator. Oh, he's going to have a good lead, Mike Wazowski will. Getting to lap 15. Toad has also gained fastest lap. Process. I'm talking about fastest lap walk since there's 20 laps. My God. Peter Griffin has now made it to second place. Cookie has taken fastest lap and is now up in fourth place. With a few. And ooh, I don't even know what happened there. I don't even know why I said ooh. Homer Simpson is up in second place. Lightning McQueen has upper with Cookie, Poe, and Peter Griffin. He's going to get the best of a few. Lightning McQueen is actually now going to have it up in third place. And it's going to be a straight file. And Lightning McQueen has gone up to second place. And now the lead into the elevator. Lightning McQueen's going to have the lead going into the elevator. He's going to have the lead. My God, we're in the final fifth of this race. Lightning McQueen is also taking fastest lap in the process. So far, there have been no marbles who have gotten fastest lap and a podium position as well in the same race. Lightning McQueen will still take the lead. Cookie and Homer Simpson can tie for second now. Peter Griffin had the lead for a long time and is now down in fifth. It's too much energy. It's now 2/3 of a lead for Lightning McQueen. Getting into lap 18. Cookie's got onto his second in the process. Well, Homer Simpson's now going to take that second place. And we're in the final 2 laps now. And McQueen with the lead. Will he be able to keep it? Penultimate lap of the penultimate race. And we're going to have a bit of a mini fight for third place with Mike Wazowski and Cookie. McQueen's going to have it. Mike Wazowski in second. A three-way tie for third. Getting into the final lap. We're off lap number 20 now. Mike Wazowski in second. That is Cookie up in third. Cookie, it'd be great to have 2 podium positions in a row. Lightning McQueen with a great lead, though, and is going to win this race. It's not officially, but we have a 3-way tie for second between Mike Wazowski, Cookie, and Homer Simpson. Peter Griffin will get 5th. Who's going to get 2nd place? Lightning McQueen will be your winner, but 2nd place is going to go to Mike Wazowski for 2nd, Cookie for 3rd, Homer Simpson for 4th, Peter Griffin. Hamlet, Toad, Poe. Hamlet, Toad, Gru, Scratchy, and Henry, SpongeBob, Poe. Peppa Pig, another 0-point finish, not good. Sans, Balance, Chugs, and Mario. All the points we're going to get. And Lightning McQueen is going to win out here by a full second. Cookie, that'll be 2 podium positions in a row after a lot of the 0-point finishes. Lightning McQueen is going to win at Frostbite Alley. And it's chilling up here. Let's see how the standings will be affected. Only the top 10 can win. Meanwhile, Gru still keeps a 12-point lead to Mike Wazowski, who's gotten up to 2nd place. Lightning McQueen goes up to 6th. Cookie's now up in 11th. And the top 14 can even podium. The bottom 2 cannot. It's been a chaotic race here at Frostbite Alley, but I'm Jack Maples, signing off. See you in the final race.